In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix search not working in Outlook. If your Outlook search isn't returning results or feels incomplete, we'll go through a clean, dependable sequence to get it working again. First, make sure Outlook and Office are fully up to date. A known issue with the app's search bar was resolved in newer builds, so updates can fix the problem instantly. In the classic desktop Outlook, open Outlook, go to File, then Account or Office account, choose Update options, and select Update Now. If you installed Office from the Microsoft Store, open the Store app, go to Library, and get updates there. Once the updates finish, restart Outlook and test a quick search. Next, rebuild the Windows search index. Outlook relies on the Windows index, so a fresh index often clears up search gaps. Open Control Panel, select Indexing options, then click Advanced. In the Advanced window, choose Rebuild and Confirm. This starts a full reindex of your files, email, and attachments. It can take a while depending on the size of your mailbox and computer speed. It's a good idea to keep your PC plugged in and let it run. You can continue working, but search might be limited until indexing completes. While the index is rebuilding, check Outlook's own indexing status so you know what to expect. In Outlook, go to the Search menu, choose Search Tools, and click Indexing Status. You'll see how many items remain to be indexed. If the number is high, that's normal during a rebuild. Keep Outlook open, that helps the process finish sooner. After some time has passed, check the same indexing status screen again, follow the same path in Outlook, Search menu, Search Tools, Indexing Status, and confirm that items remaining are dropping towards zero. Once it reaches zero, try a few representative searches like a sender, a keyword, and an old email subject. If results now look complete, you're all set. If search is still not behaving, run a repair for Office from the control panel. Go to Programs and Features, select your Microsoft 365 or Office installation, choose Change, and start with a quick repair. This is fast and fixes most issues without an internet connection. If the problem persists, run an online repair, which is more thorough and may take longer. When the repair finishes, restart your computer, open Outlook, and test search again. That's it. Update Office, rebuild the index, verify indexing status in Outlook twice, and if needed, repair Office. Follow these steps in order and Outlook search should be back to normal.